This video aims to promote healthy colon health by incorporating fruits into your diet. Clogged colons can lead to issues like constipation, bloating, gas, fatigue, and digestive issues. Unhealthy food choices or insignificant water intake can cause waste material accumulation in the large intestine, leading to fecal impaction and overgrowth of harmful bacteria. Certain fruits have natural properties that can help unlock the colon and improve overall well-being. The countdown of 8 delicious fruits is now underway, aimed at enhancing your taste buds and maintaining a clean and healthy colon. Apples. Apples are a popular and widely consumed fruit due to their high fiber content, which is crucial for maintaining a healthy digestive system. A medium-sized apple contains about 4.5 grams of fiber, which helps unclog the colon by adding blood to the stool, preventing constipation and keeping the colon in top condition. Apples also contain pectin, a complex carbohydrate that is fermented by beneficial bacteria into butyrate, which promotes colon health by reducing inflammation and acting as a fuel source for colon cells. Bananas. Bananas are a nutritious fruit that not only promotes digestive health but also provides a natural cleanse for the colon. They are rich in dietary fiber, which aids in smoothing bowel movement and reduces constipation. This contributes to overall detoxification, including the colon. In summary, bananas are not just sweet treat, they are a natural detoxifier. Berries. Berries including ripe berries, blueberries, strawberries are not only delicious but also a source of nutrients that can improve colon health. Ripe berries contain 8 grams of fiber, while blueberries and strawberries offer 3.5 and 3 grams per cup respectively. Berries are also rich in antioxidants, which help neutralize harmful free radicals, reducing inflammation and promoting overall colon health. Regular consumption of berries can lead to a healthier colon. Citrus fruits. Citrus fruits such as oranges, lemons, and grapefruits are known for their high vitamin C content and also offer significant benefit for colon health. One medium orange provides around 3 grams of dietary fiber, aiding digestion and promoting regular bowel movements. Vitamin C, a powerful antioxidant, protects the body's cell from damage by free radicals, including those in the colon. A 2010 study found that a higher intake of vitamin C was associated with a decreased risk of colon cancer. Consuming citrus fruits not only cleans the colon but also ensure its long-term health. Papaya. Papayas are a tropical fruit with numerous nutrients and enzymes that can improve colon health. Pepin, a enzyme, break down protein into smaller digestible fragments, aiding digestion and preventing waste build-up. Papaya is also a rich source of fiber, providing 2.5 grams per cup, contributing to stool bulk and softness. It also contains antioxidants like lycopene and vitamin C, neutralize harmful free radicals, reducing inflammation and promoting overall colon health. Avocados. Avocados are versatile fruit that are not just a start of toast or avocados. They are rich in dietary fiber, which contribute to healthy bowel movement and prevent constipation. They also rich in healthy fats, particularly monounsaturated fats, which help maintain colon health by facilitating nutrient absorption and preventing essential fatty acids. Avocados are also rich in antioxidants such as vitamin C and carotenoids, which combat harmful free radicals and reduce inflammation. A 2013 study found that avocados may even prevent colon cancer. Pineapples. Pineapples, known for their sweetness and tang flavor, are not only perfect for summer smoothies or pizza toppings but also play a crucial role in promoting colon health. Pineapples contain an enzyme called bromelain, which break down complex protein molecules into amino acids which can be absorbed in the gut. This enzyme is particularly beneficial for those struggling with protein digestion, leading to smoother digestive processes. Bromelain also has anti-inflammatory and cleaning properties, helping maintain a healthy colon and reducing inflammation in the gut lining. Kiwi. The kiwi, a tiny but powerful fruit, is rich in dietary fiber and acts as a superhero for digestion and colon health. It adds bulk to the stool, promotes regular bowel movement, and supports an enzyme called actindin, which helps break down proteins in the digestive system. This combination of fiber and actindin make kiwis beneficial for maintaining a healthy and clean colon. A 2013 study found that regular kiwi consumption can improve bowel function and increase the frequency and erase of defecation. Incorporating kiwi into your diet is not just a treat for taste buds but also a significant step towards supporting a clean and healthy colon. Which of these fruits is your favorite and how do you like to incorporate it into your diet? Let us know in the comment section. If you like this video, then hit that like button and subscribe.